Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Just about 1 week ago, the Supreme Court, led by CJ Martha Koome, they came out suspending the senior counsel Ahmednasir Abdulahi. The reason why they were suspending and banning the senior counsel not to appear before the Supreme Court is because the allegations are that Ahmednasir Abdulahi, senior counsel, has been always calling the judges' names as corrupt, as those who are not very keen towards ending corruption in judiciary. When this happened, Ahmednasir Abdulahi has been always eloquent, coming out to, of course, to expose the judiciary. This is a tweet of 28th January. 28th of January. Ahmednasir Abdulahi is coming out to expose a very shocking kind of tweet, as what he's saying is raising eyebrows amongst these Supreme Court judges. Ahmednasir Abdulahi is coming out to say this. But before we read, ensure you like this video. When you like this video, you automatically support the work of this channel. And of course, we are going to be recommended in YouTube platform. So consider liking this video. And if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to this channel. You like this video, give your opinion at the comment section below, and don't forget to share this video. Ahmednasir Abdulahi is coming out to say this. Prof, just show how small these judges are. They met in emergency session with files containing reams of my tweets over a 10 years period. CJ Koome and her rasping read the charges against me, and then in union they cried loudly, guilty as charged. They further agreed that the best solution to fight corruption in Supreme Court was to refuse me audience. Good thing is that these judges have Kenyan neighbors. Can we hear from their Kenyan neighbors? I.e., how can a judge of the Supreme Court buy 3 houses in 5 years in Lavingtone, Nairobi? How? While others own prime properties worth hundreds of millions under fake trust deeds. Madam CJ, I know you know, I know many things, including the extrajudicial. That is whatever Ahmednasir Abdulahi is coming out to say. This was a response towards the tweet of Professor Makau Mutua. Professor Makau Mutua came out saying, the folly of banning Ahmednasir. And he came out sharing the Sunday Nation, the crisis in Ruto's hands, and he came out posting one of the pages, the folly of banning Ahmednasir Abdulahi, as he came out giving the story why the folly of banning Ahmednasir Abdulahi from the Supreme Court. The question is, if Ahmednasir was stopped and denied an audience and not to appear before the Supreme Court because of coming out to say such words, if truly they know that Ahmednasir Abdulahi is telling us lies, so wakuje wa accuse Ahmednasir Abdulahi. Let them come out and accuse Ahmednasir Abdulahi, or else the truth is stopping Ahmednasir Abdulahi from appearing before the Supreme Court is just nothing. Because still Ahmednasir is having space to come out and say that how can a judge of Supreme Court buy 3 houses in 5 years? 3 houses. And in fact in Lavingtone. It means that Ahmednasir Abdulahi understands very well, whatever is happening in between these judges. And it is not a lie, it is the truth. When William Ruto came out saying that judiciary is corrupt, I accepted that because they are corrupt, yes. But because for me, I don't have evidence to come out and accuse them. I don't have evidence. But we have a problem in judiciary. But again, when William Ruto said that, it doesn't mean that. William Ruto hakumaanisha hiyo. William Ruto wanted that the judiciary come out and favor his plans, agendas, ideology as Kenya Kwanza president. It is not that William Ruto wanted to fight corruption. No, true. William Ruto does not have anything to do with corruption in judiciary. What he's trying to do is to force this judiciary to come and support his agendas and plans in his government. Because if truly he was serious about these judges who are corrupt, could have come out serious about it. But when they had emergency session or meeting with CJ Kome in State House, we never had something serious on how these people are going to fight corruption. What we had was CJ Kome and the judiciary, they have been given more vehicles, an additional of money allocated into judiciary. That was something that we saw. But when you look at the serious issue that was discussed, is not there. It is not there. So for me, when you look at Ahmednasir is coming out to question the judges, it's true. It is true. And even during the 2017 presidential petition, there was an attempt of that, because you can recall when Chief Justice Maraga came out saying that he was being called before the decision of nullifying the election. He was seriously called by the senior official of the government of the day. And he never came out accepting and receiving the call. As Kenyans are coming out to say that let the truth be said, or let the truth be told, let us call a spade, not a big spoon. Why? Because we'll continue coming up with just this favoring kind of ideas that, sasa William Ruto attack the judiciary, sasa tusiongelee ubaya wao. They have also problem. They have problem. Because when Martha Koome took over, she promised that there are certain petty cases that she was going to ensure is going to come to an end. As we speak, some of them are still there. Some people are even suffering. They never even did the wrong thing. So for me, the call by Ahmednasir Abdulahi that these people are so corrupt, it is true. And if truly they know the reason why they banned Ahmednasir Abdulahi from appearing before the Supreme Court, let them come out and accuse Ahmednasir Abdulahi. That is it. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? Drop your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, thank you so much because of your great support. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing this video.